Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. Go to your channel. This will open up your front page. Then go to the three lines in the top right corner. This will open up the settings. And then wait until it loads. Go down to account privacy, so it's up here already. And here just check the box like I did for private account. So this will be a public account, and then when which is probably the default. And then when you switch that onto the right side, then you will see switch to private, and then you already have your private account. So that's already it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.